everyone, welcome back to Wonder Babe. So, the most Indians in our country, you know what they eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Regular foods. लेकिन उसके बीच में होता है एक चाय ब्रेक. और चाय ब्रेक में मोस्टली इंडियंस क्या कंज्यूम करते हैं? चाय के साथ बिस्किट्स. और इंडियन मार्केट के बिस्किट्स थोड़े ठीक ठीक हैं. So let's today give them a shot and find out which is the best cookie to have in your snack time. Let's go. Starting with the OG Bourbon. ये बिस्किट सबका चाइल्डहुड फेवरेट रहा है एंड बहुत लोग इसे प्रेफर करते हैं. So let's go and give it a shot. इसकी पैकेजिंग तो बड़ी नॉर्मल सी है बट ये बिस्किट थोड़े टूटे टूटे से हैं. एनीवेज, हियर्स गोज नथिंग. So yeah. This biscuit, I think it's chocolatey. It's good, and it's not the quality stuff that we're thinking, right? It's not very. I'd say it's not very tasty. So bourbon मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि चॉकलेट के साथ इसका फ्लेवर इतना अच्छा नहीं है. तो बर्बन को मैं सॉलिड 5/10 दूंगी. उससे ऊपर नहीं, उससे नीचे कुछ भी नहीं. So it's not a very good thing to start your day with. Next is this Unibic के choco chip cookies. These come sugar free. So this is a healthier alternative. Health wise bourbon को मैंने rate नहीं दिया. Bourbon को 2/10. It's not healthy for you. So stop consuming that. Next is this bourbon cookie which actually looks like a cookie. So bourbon को let's see इसमें हम क्या rating दे सकते हैं. पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये शुगर फ्री है. इट्स गुड. आई लाइक दिस वन. एंड जो बीच में चॉकलेट की बिट्स है, दैट इज अमेजिंग. दिस आई एम गोइंग टू गिव 8/10 because sugar free है and you need an alternative snack. So this is a pretty good one. Taste wise 7/10. Average. Next we have my childhood favorite, the Jim Jam cookies. And as you can see, बीच में जेली की जो फीलिंग होती है वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आती है. And it is a white creme biscuit. So I think this is a pretty good one. The OG Boss. Fantastic. Health wise, nothing. 2/10. There's obviously sugar, there's this and that. But taste wise, when you're feeling low, you're feeling depressed, तो आपके साथ आपका प्रोटीन नहीं खड़ा होता, हमेशा शुगर रहती है. So for that, if you're in need of good health wise नहीं, but हाँ, taste wise this is a solid 9/10. I love this biscuit. अच्छा, कमेंट करके बताइए कि आप इस बिस्किट को तोड़कर उसकी क्रीम लास्ट में खाते हैं या जेली लास्ट में खाते हैं. whichever one, let me know. Then we have bourbon from a different brand. ये Sunfeast का है, वो ब्रिटानिया का है. And bourbon is like a famous biscuit in India. So let's see इन दोनों में से कौन जीतने वाला है. Oh, this is definitely better than the Britannia one. Chocolate to biscuit ratio is perfect. And taste wise also इसकी quality मुझे पता नहीं क्यों better लग रही है. So I think 7 and 7. Alright, for the final two, I have again Sunfeast का Dark Fantasy, which is a Oreo का copy. Why is Sunfeast copying दूसरे biscuits का, you know, shape and taste? And the next one is Oreo का Strawberry Oreos. And this I got it in Sunfeast. So let's see which one will win the cookie challenge. This also looks like a Oreo. Yeah, Sunfeast, what the hell are you doing? But let's try. I don't know for what reason, मुझे इसमें coffee का after note आ रहा है. And for the calories to price ratio, it is a good choice. $8.5. This one. Similar to Oreos, but Indian brand at home. Let's promote. Finally, we come to the Oreos. इसकी स्मेल अमेजिंग है. So typical Oreo with strawberry filling. Chocolate and strawberries go very well together, and I think this is something that I can have daily. Even though everything consumes of sugar. Next video mein we'll make something in high protein, I promise. But yeah, if you're consuming cookies, this is a 9.5 out of 10. Health wise तो सारे ही 2 है, तो उसको rate करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So coming to Oreos, they're the best, and today's challenge they've won because cookie is to cream ka ratio, taste, the smell. Our winner for today is Oreos, the strawberry ones. So let me know what you would like me to make next and what kind of videos you want me to do. So this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then please go and subscribe. If you didn't, then dislike this video. All I care. But yeah, that's it. Have a good day.